What's up guys, Arif here. I'm going to show you how to turn on Windows Sandbox in Windows 11 Pro. We're going to start by going to the start menu and we're going to type in turn on Windows features. Come down here and we're going to turn on everything with Hyper-V. So turn this all on. And then we're going to come down to the bottom here and turn on Windows Sandbox. And you're going to want to click OK. In order to use this, you're going to have virtualization turned on. If you don't have this available or you're getting some kind of error, you're going to have to go into the BIOS. Make sure you restart. If you do need to turn on virtualization in the BIOS first, here's what you do. You go into your BIOS by pressing delete or F2, depending on your motherboard. Then you're going to come down and go to advanced. And in advanced, you're going to see the advanced tab. You're going to click on CPU configuration. And you're going to look for something called virtualization or SVM. Look on Google to see what it's going to be called on your specific motherboard, but make sure that is turned to enabled, save the changes, and now your error should go away. Now that your computer is restarted, come back to the start menu, type in Sandbox, and when you open it up now, you'll get the Windows Sandbox. This is a completely clean virtual machine. You won't have any access to any of the other drives. You won't have any access to your local storage. You'll see here as we come into this PC area, you have no network and you only have the one C drive and that is it. So this is how you use the Windows Sandbox. When you close it, it's going to destroy everything. Nothing will be saved. It'll all be discarded and permanently lost. If you want to check for sketchy files or anything, the Sandbox is the best place to do it. Subscribe now.